hata mwanaume wako na yeye saa hizi hajui vitu za beti ziko wapi. So unigudoria atiriri ando marori atiriri a common sense question. Adoya marare kaguikara Kanyari is on board, the family is on board. Gotire mundu renda kindu kia beti, the brothers, the sisters, the mom, nobody wants. Ona otia kegu marakio no gwati. They can see the danger that is lying ahead. Nari agoku mani muku maruma muraruma. Common sense guy adoito. No gutogo tutajikomboa hivi walai. Tutajikomboa hivi. Kiuriege ya common sense. When everybody is saying, gona if you go kumutanda wine no guturauga, ido ne siekirerwo ciana trust fund na mekira ithuo the toke twirwo, cause Betty must have been a very powerful woman. Even 2 weeks after her death, the story has refused to disappear. Mundu othe araririra mwana, the brother araririra ciana, the mom araririra ciana, Kanyari araririra ciana. What is so huge ati mundurume ndagithie igwithanie no ria family irenda ati kila kindu giothe kia Betty na rero atiriri anything wogereire family no ni ukunengerwo thie nakio, but everything that you found here ido ciothe ni ciekirwo trust fund ya ciana, kila mtu ajue ido ciothe ni ciathie gwe ciana. Is that ando aitu gwiciria uguo niguo murumanire guku akire leverage ndare na fata na ciana ne leverage ya rafatara ndare na thakame na ciana icio, has no blood relationship with that ciana, ararega na ciana ciene, arauga ngina family ate ndingiona ciana, and is their own blood. The truth of the matter is papers can never be bigger than blood. Mundurumi uyu arona taruo ciarite ciana ici ngina ithe wa ciana arona ciana ciake gate-ini nwanyita arafu mutirona red flag hau inywe. Kila mtu analilia mtoto, and people can see the danger ahead. People can see the red flags. Family raugire hahaira ithora tutirenda. In fact, Edward araugire kindu kimwe gwitu gucie gutire mundu urorete kindu kia Betty iguru, hakuna mtu hata mmoja no ri ungienda tutaangaliana na yeye. But everybody come on board. Kanyari on board, Mama Betty on board, the uncles and the aunties to these children on board. Ule mwanaume mtu mmoja anakataa hiyo maneno, ararega ido siekiro trust fund ya ciana niki. He cannot have the custody of children that are not his blood. Arafu dogyo maketi ado ate 3 days mudurume ucio neritwo afly mutumia wake amutwareja as fast as possible, amutware in a very good international hospital kuria mutumia wake angihonokio muoyo. The man decided to run away, switched off his phone completely. When Akina Moses Kuria and Wasanis were coming up, he was nowhere to be seen, switched off the phone. Na dogoko no papa nganga maraga iga banya. What's your interest? Our interest is the children. It's only that we have the guts to say what people can't say. Everybody wants the best for those children. Everybody can see. If I were to I can ban this country with evidence. People who wanted to come on live and speak. Na mwero mwesirio horo asiana ate na tumia gikoi wa itumaga itutire na oru na inywe mutana rehe mundu. If you bring a man in your life, maga make sure nerarehe value muturire-ini waku.